20 small atoms. Atom 1 is hydrogen. Hydrogen is how to say hydrogen. High up, hydrogen made balloons go up in 1920. Atom number 2 is helium. Helium. In 1920, they made balloons that go up, not out of helium, like they do nowadays, but burnable hydrogen. And when your dad was smoking a cigarette, suddenly the balloon became a ball of flames and your mum lost her bonnet, her hat, and her eyebrows. They don't do that anymore. Helium makes your voice sound funny. Atoms with 3 protons are light up lithium. Light up a mobile phone with light batteries made of lithium. Yes, the batteries in your phone are lithium. Atoms with 4 protons, beryllium. Oh, okay, editing. Gotta have that. Spelling first. Atoms with 4 protons. Really poisonous beryllium. Beryllium is written Be. Atoms with 5 protons are boring boron. Symbol B. Boring boron is so rare it isn't used for much. Atoms with 6 protons are Cartire carbon. Cartires have carbon. So do plastics and all living things. Yes, they put the carbon into car tyres to make them black. That's why the rubbers you use for pencils are white, and the rubbers that are used for car tyres are black. I do know there's some black pencil rubbers as well. But it makes the car tyres, the carbon in them, makes the car tyres black and last longer. Atoms with 7 protons are 9 nitrogen, N. 9 and 70%, so 9 and 70, 9 and 70%, 79% of air is nitrogen. Atoms with 8 protons are oxygen. Oxen need oxygen like all living things. Yes, for respiration, otherwise no oxygen, your cells die. Atoms with 9 protons are for your fluorine, F. Fluorine is for your toothpaste, symbol F. Atoms with 10 protons are neon, Ne. Neon, a red neon tube, light bulb, to break it. See? God, it's full of terrible jokes. Atom number 11, the neon, and for your floor. Yes. Atom number 11 is sodium, Na. So they get sodium from seawater, symbol Na. Atom number 12, atoms with 12 protons are magnesium, Mg. Magazine clips of magnesium have bullets inside, Mg. Atoms with 13 protons are aeroplane, aluminium. That really should be it. Okay. Not capitals, really. Yeah. Not a capital. Not a capital. Inverted commas. Oh. Editing. Maybe that should just be a capital with inverted commas. That's better. All aeroplanes are aluminium, written AL. Oh, okay, during the Second World War, 80 years ago, there were some aeroplanes made out of wood called the Harrier, the Hawker Harrier. It was the one that did the most in the Battle of Britain. The famous one for the Battle of Britain is the Spitfire, but actually the Harrier there was more wooden Harriers than there were metal Spitfires. Atoms with 14 protons inside a silicon. Si. Silicon, steel, silicons, siliconvics, silicons, steel, silicon. Oh. Chips from computers. Atom number 15. Phosphorus. Phosphorus. Yes. Phosphorus is part of your teeth. I get it now. Atom number. An atom nucleus with 16 protons is sold for sulfur. S. Sulfur, and the Americans spell it not with a PH but with an F, is sold for rubber from Yellowstone volcanoes. Yes, sulfur makes rubber more solid. It's in it's in tires and also in rubbers that you use for rubbing out. Chlorine has 17 protons in each nucleus. Cl. Chlorine in swimming pools, chlor in a swimming pool is made safe by chlorine. Yes, if there's a chlorine in a swimming pool, you have to sterilize it, kill the bacteria using chlorine. Atom number 18, atom nuclei with 18 protons are argon, AR. Argon molecule atoms are gone from smashed light bulb. Atoms. Argon does not form molecules at all, ever. Everything else does, well, apart from neon and krypton and the other group zeros. Put ash on potassium is atom number 19, keeping the thing going. Put ash on the field to grow food, potassium. Yes, it was the ash from pots. Can made calcium has 20 protons in each nucleus. Whew, editing. Calcium can make bones and teeth. Symbol Ca. Atom number is always the same as how many protons the atoms have in the nucleus. Yes. Trillions of atoms of one type in one place is called an element. Sodium was discovered by a German man who called it natrium. So we use Na as sodium's symbol. Sulfur is spelt sulfur in America. Sulfur is a yellow non-metal. Chlorine is a green poisonous gas used in the First World War. The blue-coloured words helium, neon and argon are in group 0, also called group 8, because they do not react. Editing. Group 0 is the noble gases. HENENAR are colourless gases. Brown coloured words, it wasn't in colour, it is in the other. Lithium, sodium, are group 1 because they give away 1 electron. Group 1 is the alkali metals. Li, Na and K are grey metals. The pink coloured words, boron, magnesium, calcium, are in group 2 because they give away 2 electrons. Group 2 is the alkali earth metals. B, Mg, C and Ca are grey metals. The green coloured words, fluorine, chlorine, and chlorine are the non-metals in group 7 because they need 1 more electron for a full shell. Put fluorine in a yellow. Pure fluorine is a yellow gas. Pure chlorine is a green gas. Cool! Press my picture to get more of my videos. Press like, press subscribe. Bye!